Yo, welcome to the channel. So I don't know what they call these around the rest of the world, but here in Canada, we call them a toque. And it's definitely cold enough outside to be wearing one of these now. So without further ado, let's get to today's unboxing. All right, bring out the noisy cricket, my favorite knife of all time. Super excited about this one. This is a little bit of an upgrade to something that I already own. Alrighty. Air, box, bag. I love this noisy cricket, especially for bags like this. Boom. And we're in. Alrighty. Woo-hoo! What do we have here? We have the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Super pumped to get this guy here. Little bit of an upgrade. Like I have the Smooth Q now. Link to my videos on that one over here, wherever they are. I think they're over here. Anyway, link to the videos above. Check those out if you want to. But right now today, for this video, we're just gonna unbox this bad boy. So here we go. Boom. Okay, plastic is off. Oh, we have a little seal here. Even says open from here. So we will pop open the seal. There we go. Ooh. So the last one had a carrying case with it. Looks like they've done the same thing again. They've got this really nice carrying case along with a manual that just fell out. Okay, so this is the manual, quick start guide. Alrighty. Ooh, very nice. So this is, I think, similar. I don't have a Phantom 4, DJI Phantom 4, but this seems to be a similar type of case that the Phantom 4 is made out of. There's a hinge at the back here. So this means here would be the front. Woo! Look at this goodness. Wow. So first thing I noticed is this is a lot lighter than the older version. The second thing I noticed is this time around they give you a tripod for the bottom, which is super helpful. Like the last version I had definitely has the mount for one, but they've sent one with it. Not quite as nice as the Manfrotto, but still, for what it's worth, good to have. So you've got your tripod, and then you have the Smooth 4 gimbal itself. Now, first impressions, it's a little bit bigger, so you definitely notice that in the hand. You feel that it's a bigger gimbal. It's got a dial on this one, so I assume that can control things like zoom, focus, you know, that kind of thing. Anyway, we're gonna save all that for another video. This is just basically the unboxing tonight. So, first impressions, there's buttons on the back here. I gotta figure out what those do. There's a dial on the front. You've got your menu, your display. There's a whole whack more buttons on this one, on the Smooth 4, than there was on the Smooth Q. So I assume it does a whole bunch more. I also assume I'm going to have to download the app to figure all of that out. Phone mount wise, we're good. I love the fact that it has a stand. This is a really great idea. There you go, boom. And you've got a stand, which makes the balancing process so much easier. When you have it on a stand, you can balance your phone a lot easier. Perfect, so that is my unboxing of the Zhiyun Smooth 4. I will do a more in-depth review of this beast a little bit later, for sure. Along with how to use the software and what all of this new lovely stuff on here does. So, okay, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, take it easy out there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.